So Eagle Health Holdings is a nutrition and supplements company located in Xiamen in China, on the east coast of China, distributing nutritional supplements and nutritional foods to Chinese consumers in 23 provinces. We have $84 million revenue, $16 million profit in 2016, and very nice margin growth from new product development and selling products in pharmacies and in supermarkets in China, and 99% of our volume is going through pharmacies and supermarkets. We have a strong online presence, but we only have 1% of our sales online. Our focus, our business focus, is through distribution channels, through bricks and mortar channels in China. Well, its uniqueness is its distribution channel in China. And it's not so unique to be selling in pharmacies and supermarkets. However, with the growth in internet sales in China, we think that our differentiation point is the stability of our supply chain, the stability of our client base, and the gross margins that we realise from our retail pricing. The P&L in the business is very strong. You'll see our gross margins are very high for this category, and we believe our gross margins come from two areas. Number one, really strong supply chain compliance. And number two, our ability to maintain our margins through retail pricing. And number three, through product innovation. Consumers are looking for new news in this category, and they like shopping in this supplements category for new products, and they're willing to pay a premium for those products if we can offer them the benefits. Well, Australia is a great source of intellectual property for products that Chinese consumers would like to buy in the health and supplements category. The IP that I'm talking about can be anywhere from new supplements or new ingredients all the way through to some products that have specific therapeutic benefits for our target market. We believe that to truly bring value to those IP owners in Australia, having an office in Melbourne, having a listing on the Australian Stock Exchange, having people on the ground here that they can talk to on a daily basis will really make local companies feel comfortable dealing with us. Yes, so we've got a great board headed by our chairman, Andrew Thompson, ex-MP, Member of Parliament in Australia, and two other Australian board members, including myself. Andrew Thompson will chair the board. Mr. Zhang, the company founder and managing director, will obviously sit on the board as well, and he, for good governance, has asked Andrew Thompson to lead the board and follow all of the right good governance procedures for the ASX listing. Yeah, so we're raising between $25 and $30 million with our listing. There are three key areas that we're deploying those funds. Firstly, a 5.4 plus 5 million to continue to drive our growth in China. That growth comes from expanded geographic distribution, expanded market penetration in our existing markets through investing in the brands, and further investment in new product development in China. 6.2 million of the raise is going to be retained in Australia for IP development. So that'll be our new product development fund, and we'll be using that money to develop IP relationships with owners of that IP in Australia through perhaps clinical studies, perhaps through milestone payments for successes, and also co-development of new products.
大家好，我是张敏万，是英军健康控股创始人 CEO， 非常高兴来我们企业来澳大利亚主板上市，欢迎大家踊跃投资我们英军健康控股，成为我们的股东。